Hello, I'm Val, and welcome to my channel. I love to create jewelry, and this is the 18th, and I am part of a jewelry making fun collab. And this collaboration is sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs. And in our collab, every month we work on different colors, different textures, and kind of styles of jewelry. And when you're done with this video, please watch everybody else's video. And then you can see what great things they created too. I will link the channels below in the description. So what we've got today as far as colors are blue. Let's see, we could use navy or sapphire in color. And the other next challenge is using chip beads. And the final piece is to use polymer clay or resin. So pretty much I've got the color, and that's the part of the our options that I kind of concentrated on was the navy part. Okay, so I've got something that I'm most proud of. I decided to do what I'm most proud of first is this necklace. I actually got to wear this to my daughter's wedding this summer, and that's why I'm so proud of it. I used sodalite beads and also lapis beads, and those are the ones that are these beads on the outside. In the middle was a pretty chrysocolla bead. And so see how they're kind of all in navy in color. Those were her colors, like beachy colors. Were mixed in like lighter colors, lighter tones. I kind of concentrated on the darker ones. What I did was put little silver beads in between the blue beads. I used jump rings and then some silver chain, and then a little toggle clasp at the top. So that's what my favorite pieces with this challenge is that my necklace. And see, I have a bracelet to show. It's just a plain stretch cord bracelet, but I like to stack that with other bracelets. I think that looks a lot better when you have lots of bracelets in a row. And the last things I've got are earrings. I made a few dangling earrings here. This pair, it has a flower at the bottom. Just a cute little silver flower. And the beads I have are navy seed beads. There's some blue Picasso beads there. They pretty much are dark blue as well. And I used brown wood beads. So I thought that made for a pretty dark pair of earrings. And I thought the that navy and the dark brown and the wooden bead kind of complemented each other. And I did another pair with a flower at the bottom. This one is a bronze flower. And then at the top I put lapis beads. And there's a bronze finding there at the top. And my last pair is a copper pair. And it looks like this. I've got little copper jump rings there at the top, and then they've got blue. I have a navy bead there, and a wooden bead, and also jasper bead. So let me hang that one up one more time. Honestly, I think this is my favorite little pair of earrings. They're just so simple and cute. Yeah, just different stacked beads that turned into a charm and attached to the bottom of the jump ring. So I have those 3 pair of earrings, and then a bracelet and my necklace. And that's what I wanted to show for this month. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Please don't forget to watch the other creators that I'm going to link below. Till next time. Bye-bye.